Hello everyone. Today I have a question for you guys. The question is, can you use your Kato lighting kits with a DCC engine? So we're about to find out today. So I wasn't sure about this, so I removed all my lighting kits from my Kato passenger cars. So I'm gonna put them back one by one and see if the DCC hurts them. Installing the lighting kits it's pretty easy. There's been many videos covering this, so I don't think I need to make another one. But there's no video out there telling you if running them with DCC will damage them. I got a feeling that it's gonna be okay because I was running the passenger cars yesterday and the drum head had a light and it was okay. So I think this is gonna be okay. I put mute on my T1 there so I can run it with no sound. But I think this is going to be okay. I'm going to keep working on the other ones off camera. I think it's going to be okay. I mean, the drum head has been going the whole time I was running the train yesterday. And then for about 20 minutes now while I've been putting up my lighting kits. So I ended up having to clean the wheels from my passenger car. And that took quite a bit of time actually. So while I was doing that, I ran the train for about 10 minutes 3 times, and I did not see any smoke or melted plastic, or all the lights are still going, including the drum head, which has been going for about 40 minutes. So it looks like it's gonna work. If there's any problems later on, I'll keep you posted. And now it's time to run some trains. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.